breakfast time. Got some orange juice, yogurt, muffin, sausage and eggs. Overall, the breakfast and the ambiance here is really nice for the price. Also, you get free parking, which is one thing that's really awesome. And when you're in a city, you definitely have to think about free parking. And in addition to that, free continental breakfast, which is what you just saw. And that's one of the reasons why we picked this hotel. All right, so today we are heading to a place called the 92nd Street Park. It's like 30 minutes away from Seattle. It's in Everett, Washington. So yeah, we're gonna go there now. All right, we have arrived. We're gonna go for a little walk, and it should be pretty fun. And you'll be able to see the ginormous trees that we're currently walking into. So this place is pretty crazy. It's like almost Amazonian, but the trees are so freaking tall. And that is quite honestly why I wanted you to come here. But thoughts?
It's gorgeous.
That is really tall and really awesome.
Wow. I don't know that I've ever really seen a slug. Do you?
Not one this large.
They make them big here.
This way
Left?
or this way? I feel like there's nothing up there. I feel like this way makes sense.
Okay.
More and more steps. So that was the trail. Apparently it wasn't that long, or as long as we thought it would be. We're gonna go to a place where I ran last time I was here, and there's like a just endless turn of downhill, and then we're just gonna walk back up the hill after we go down the hill. Okay, so scratch that idea. It's actually private property there. And there's no trespassing, and we're gonna go to Mukilteo, whatever the city is called, instead. So breaking news, we are now trying to catch a couple of dogs. One of the dogs actually hopped into a stranger's car, which is nice.
If that cop doesn't stop, we're gonna have to stop him.
Right, yeah. But basically there were two, not stray dogs, they were just, I think they both had collars on them.
They belong to somebody, but they're not smart. The one stands in front of cars.
Yeah.
Moving cars.
Yeah, I don't know. The other dog just like ran in front of that truck.
What's going on, man?
Dog.
Yeah, two dogs are just like running around.
Oh, so that's that other dog.
Yeah, the other dog was
running in front of like moving cars. So
it
we're
must
just
be
trying
just,
to.
2nd Street. There's a big problem down here.
Yeah.
Call the beacon. And the black car, that wasn't her dog?
No.
No,
that was not her dog.
The only way
It
she
just
could
jumped
get him
right in,
to
yeah.
go anywhere was to get him to climb in her car.
Which was interesting. But he kept turning around and stopping right in front of the car.
Yeah. And that's strange.
I guess he
now
just
we
wanted
got
to go
the
for a
state
ride.
patrol up here.
Yeah.
He was trying to catch the other dog.
Have you seen a little white
Yes.
collar dog?
They've got one of them.
Okay.
I guess the cop caught the white dog and
The little brown dog.
the little brown dog just hopped
in.
into the car. So, and there was a lady looking for them, and apparently they got home all right. So that was interesting.
It's the ferry.
It is the ferry.
Either that or Derrick had too many beans.
Lots of freaking beans. Basically, this is where people get on ferries to Whidbey Island, which is all the way across there. And I think it's like maybe a 15-minute kind of thing. You drive your cars actually onto the ferry, and they drop your cars off over there, which is interesting. Mountains in the background there, and mountain in the background there too, which is really gorgeous. Watch out.
All right. She wasn't gonna stop.
No. All right, so it's lunchtime, and we are going to go to the Diamond Knot Brewery. Salad, salada, fish tacos. So the Diamond Knot Brewery, it was all right. It wasn't the best.
I give it a solid meh.
A solid meh. So that's like what, like a 6 out of 10. Oh, there's a wedding going on there. Give it a 6.5 out of 10. Some wedding going on there. This is the Lighthouse Park. And a nice little roundabout that we can drift through. It looks so cute.
Seal pups need to rest on the shore.
The lighthouse.
Yeah. See, look how close the ferry is now.
It's small here, isn't it? It's very small.
Don't need to be
Hi.
today.
Hello.
Hey.
Hello, sir. How are you today? I shall shake your hand. No? Okay. Small models, versions of light bulbs, or lenses, and basically a huge collage of the history of this place. Huh. So we're gonna head back to the hotel, shower, get pretty, and probably just chill until we have to do something later tonight at 7 or 8. Meeting up with a coworker, Colin, and cousin again. And then we're planning on going karaoke.
I literally just hit myself in the nose with that.
Alright, we've made it to Pacific Place. This place. It's like an indoor mall. This might have been the mall that I've been into.
I'm trying to remember what it's called though. I can look it up though in a second. I took my mom there. And
Put those
didn't know
peace
about
signs.
it.
No, stop that. That's not my cousin.
Derrick's taking a
Get it.
picture.
Get it. No, I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video. Get it.
That's right.
That's how you do it.
Are these pork? I think so.
Yeah. Go for it.
I need time. Yeah.
Because it like splooges out the.
Can you not call
soup.
it spooges out?
Okay.
Derrick likes that word.
The hell is wrong with you?
It squirts it out real good.
That's not any better.
No.
It drizzles it out.
It drizzles it out.
It comes out.
Good job.
No? Okay.
Good job, man.
Alright, I quit.
And the phones come out. Take a picture before.
What are we supposed to do with this?
You're wondering how you never got this before. How you could miss something.
How would you do? All right.
Alright, we're now at the karaoke bar. So we're gonna sing it up. So is Caroline over here.
What about you?
What about Derrick?
Yeah. What about you, choir boy?
I don't sing choir. Why would you say something like that?
Am I embarrassing you in front of your YouTube audience?
No, I don't care.
And that's always good there.
Gotcha.
If you have any problem, let me know.
Okay, cool.
Colin got this shit. Colin got that.
You can probably expect me randomly cracking every now and then, and Caroline also cracking because she was singing like the entire time. Atta girl, Caroline. Atta girl. Anyways. We're going to bed, we're gonna wake up tomorrow, and then we're gonna do some more hiking. See you guys tomorrow.